facing the error of failed to load onlinefix64.dll from the list error, and the error code is 4556. The solution is simple. Simply go to your search, and here you need to type in for settings and open up settings. Basically, your antivirus or Windows Defender is blocking that file, so we need to fix that. So for that, go to Privacy and Security, go to Windows Security, and here to click on Virus and Threat Protection. Once you're here, you need to scroll down a bit. Here you can see Virus and Threat Protection settings. Click on Manage Settings. Inside here, the first thing that you need to do is go down to the bottom, and you can see Exclusions. Click on Add or Remove Exclusions. Click on Yes. Now here go and click on Add an Exclusion. Click on Folder. Now go and select the folder where the game is installed. For example, in my case, it is GTA 5, so I would select this one and select. And once you have done so, in most of the cases, the issue should be fixed. But in case your issue is not fixed, you need to go to App and Browser Control. And in some of the cases on the latest Windows 11, you would see Smart App Screening or something like that at the top. So on top of this reputation-based protection, there would be Smart App Scan or something like that. You need to turn that off. So there would be a manage setting option. Just go and click on that and turn off the Smart App Screening. And just go and start the game. If you still have the issue, you could simply go to Virus and Threat Protection and go to Virus and Threat Protection setting. Click on Manage Setting. Turn off the real-time protection, and you need to also disable any other antivirus that you have installed, like Avast, McAfee, or something like that. So basically, once all that is done, and the issue is sometimes the antivirus falsely flags this as virus. That's why you cannot play the game. So you need to turn this off and also the antivirus and just start your game. Hope this video has helped you out. Please like the video.